130 days ago, I started this YouTube Shorts channel with the goal of earning $500 per month. 130 days later, my channel reached 85,000 subscribers and I am now earning over $1,000 per month. In this video, I share everything I've learned in the last 4 months so that you can apply these principles to your own channel and achieve similar results. Principle number 1, be disciplined and upload every day. You must upload at least one short every day. If you publish a short every day and analyze the performance of each individual short, success will come much faster. I may have uploaded 50 shorts before one of my shorts got viral. That's when I went back to that short, analyzed it, and tried the same editing style for my other shorts. From that point on, a lot of my shorts went viral. Principle number 2, always change your editing style until you find results. Don't be stuck at one editing style just because you find it good. It's not about you but your audience. You have to try different editing styles and see which one gets the most engagement. Principle number 3, don't expect any results in the first 2 or 3 months. I know this is easier said than done, but that's the truth. If you are thinking this is an easy way to make money, then you are wrong, especially not at the beginning. That's the hardest part, because some days you'll get maybe 2,000 views and other days you'll get only 500 views. The key is to keep posting shorts until you find success. If you do that for 3 months, then success will definitely come. Principle number 4, be interested in your topic. Otherwise, you lose motivation and give up entirely. That's exactly what happened to me. I started several YouTube Shorts channels, but only continued with the current one because I'm interested in football. I had, for example, a channel focusing on celebrity interviews, but I couldn't bring myself to make another short on that topic because I had zero interest in it. Principle number 5, try to achieve high retention. See, retention is the most important YouTube metric behind every viral short. If I show you all my viral shorts, they all have a retention rate above 70%. My first viral short got over 90% retention rate. So it wasn't a coincidence that that short got viral. It was because it had a very good retention rate. Principle number 6, try to understand your viewers / study your viewers' behavior. Look, you could upload for 1 year and not find any success if you don't analyze your viewers' behavior. Every time you upload a short, you go back to that short's analytics and see what's happening. Where are they jumping off? Are they swiping away, or they're deciding to watch your short because your short's hook is very interesting? Principle number 7 is the most important one. Your editing doesn't matter as much as your content. Content is king. You could have the best editing skills, but if your content is not good, then you are getting 0 views. In 4 months, my channel reached 85,000 subscribers and over 62 million views. In December, I published my first viral video, which only went viral after about a month. And if you watch the analytics of this short, could see that I uploaded the short in December and it only went viral in January. That's where the short took off, and it's still getting views, as you can see. Also, as I told you before, this short got over 90% retention rate. I could also show you this, how many choose to view my video, over 85%, and only 14% swiped away. I gained about 50,000 subscribers only from this one short, and this is how much I earned from this short. 2 months after this short, I was able to reach 62 million views because I analyzed this short and applied exactly the same principles I just told you about. I won't lie to you, even after my first viral short, the other shorts didn't go viral immediately, but always after a month or 2 later. After my channel was monetized, all my videos went viral too, so don't give up after just a few weeks, but try to stick with it for 2 months. Eventually you'll be pushed into the algorithm and all your videos will go viral just like mine. I also had times when I didn't upload anymore and completely lost motivation, but after my first viral short, I was motivated again. Now I get between 2 to 4 million views per day. The views are a bit less now because I've slugged off a bit. If we take a closer look at our analytics, we see that the watch time, subscribers, and earnings all follow the same trend. And as for the earnings, we see that I didn't reach the YouTube Partner Program for a while because I had to reach the 10 million views threshold. It wasn't until February that we were monetized for the first time. And the interesting thing about my earnings is that if we change the period to the last 28 days, we can see that almost all of my channel's earnings were generated in the last 28 days. Our most successful day was about 120, and now we're averaging about $50 per day. I'm really happy with this performance, and I think if I continue to post frequently and use these principles, I can increase the average to about $150 per day. I hope you use these numbers as motivation to start your own channel. I encourage you to start a channel and grow with my channel over the rest of the year. And I think we'll both be surprised how far we can go. My next video will be about how to edit viral shorts so you can go viral as quickly as possible. Please like the video and comment on any questions you have. I'll answer all your questions.